What's good, YouTube? So I just got the Galaxy S10. As you can see, what comes in the box is the charger, the headphones, and the wall adapter. So I still haven't connected it on my line. So the only thing that on the it has the fingerprint, but it takes a while to recognize it. You can see it's a really good phone. I prefer it better than the S10 Plus. It's a good size phone. The camera is really great. Doesn't lag. It's a pretty loud phone. Really nothing different from other Galaxies that I'm seeing. Have that wireless power share where you could charge another phone. The only thing I don't like about it is that it doesn't have that notification light. So say when you get a message, the light won't blink to let you know. Let me see. I was messing with it during lunch, but yeah, it's a really nice phone. It's really it's really loud. I like the fact how loud it is. Has the dual speakers. Has one on the top and one at the bottom. It's a it's a good sized phone. I'm able to do everything with one hand. Let's see, let's try the volume. So yeah. As you can see, that's regular volume. It's really loud. Right, dude? It's loud. For the price, it's a really worth it phone. I went from the S8 Plus to this one, and it's really good. I I like it. I had an iPhone, so I went back to Galaxy. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I don't really know any really reviews. The camera, it's really good. As you can see, look how much detail the camera gets. At the, but yeah, captures captures a lot of detail. That's what I like about it. A lot. But yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. Any tips on this phone? I just got it, so I'm gonna get ready to pop my SIM card and try it out. Thanks for watching.